В прошлом году Геннадий Головкин в ничью провел поединок против мексиканца Сауля Альвареса. И поговаривают, что в этом году они снова встретятся на ринге. Я решил поговорить с иностранцами, чтобы они поделились мнением о Головкине, что они думают о нем, а также о предстоящем поединке. Кто круче, Альварес или Головкин? Кто круче, Билли Сондерс или Головкин? В общем, обо всем об этом иностранцы сегодня расскажут нам. Поехали! Excuse me, do you know Gennady Головкин? You don't know?
No.
Okay. Excuse me, sir. Do you know Gennady Головкин?
Where?
Gennady Головкин. Do you know him?
No.
Do you know Gennady Головкин? Okay. Look, maybe you know Gennady Головкин. Have you heard about him?
Sorry, I don't.
Excuse me. Maybe you know Gennady Головкин.
What's that?
Головкин, you know him?
No.
Hiya. How are you? Everything is okay. Look, maybe you know Gennady Головкин. Have you heard about him?
Sorry?
Головкин. Do you know him?
Color?
Yes. Hi. Excuse me. Maybe you know Gennady Головкин.
You what?
Головкин. Maybe you know.
Головкин?
Yes.
I don't know what that means.
No, I don't know.
You never heard.
Never heard him.
Okay. I'm looking for him. Excuse me. Do you know Gennady Головкин?
Sorry?
Do you know Gennady Головкин?
Yes, yes.
You know him? Yes?
The boxer?
Yeah.
Yes.
Как вы уже заметили, большинство прохожих просто не знает Головкина. Но тогда пойдем туда, где о Головкине 100% знают люди. Я нахожусь сейчас в боксерском зале. Именно здесь рождаются таланты. Именно здесь куются настоящие мировые чемпионы в мире профессионального бокса. Давайте посмотрим на них. Can you name your favorite boxers? For example, 3 boxers on the international arena. Maybe you know them.
What? In UK or all over the world?
Around the world.
Go for Kell Brook.
Kell Brook.
Kell Brook's
He-
my first one.
He's British, yes?
British, yes, from Sheffield.
Uh-huh.
And Mayweather, obviously.
Who?
Floyd Mayweather.
Floyd Mayweather.
Yeah. And my last one, all-time Mike Tyson.
Mike Tyson.
Yeah.
I noticed that all of them black. Is it your personal?
No, I'm not racist.
Who's your favorite boxer?
My favourite boxer?
Yes.
It would actually be Gennady Головкин. I do actually like him. He's my favourite boxer.
Are you serious?
Yes, seriously.
What about Floyd Mayweather or?
I do like him, but I just like Головkin's style, his pressure, I like his aggression. He's a nice, humble man as well, which I quite like. Once he's finished his fight, he's behind the scenes and that's him done with. He's not flashy at all. So I quite like that. He just sticks to the fight plan and just does that and that's him finished.
What about critics? People who criticize him, they say that his boxing style is simple.
You're always going to have a critic, no matter how good you are, you're always going to have a critic. If you're the best in the world, you still have a critic, it doesn't matter who you are. Some say his boxing style is quite simple, but it's very, very effective. So why change it if it's effective? It's winning fights, so why change it?
I think Alvarez will be more skillful in this fight.
Yeah.
And I think Головkin will be more cautious and stepping right in, taking the punch. I think he probably move about a lot more.
Yeah.
To work his way in. Because Canelo's a bit of a good mover. He's got to be a bit Mayweather style since he fought Mayweather. I think he took his style with the shoulder roll. But I think 50-50.
Prediction would be that Головkин will win. win again. I reckon
How?
they'll win.
How?
I reckon they'll win. They'll need to be more dominant this time. There seems to be a few questions asked of the last one. His performance wasn't as good. But I think he'll be more dominant, be a different fighter altogether. Because all they came up against him, he knows a rough idea what's happening with him. So he'll train harder again. So then he puts an end to it and he wins cleanly this time.
Okay, will he win by knockout or by decision of judge?
By decision, I reckon.
Billy Saunders, will he win Головкин or not?
I think skill-wise, if Billy Saunders doesn't get hit, he can probably win the fight. But I don't see a knockout from Головкин. From Saunders. Billy Joe Saunders. I don't see a knockout. Because I do see Головкин knocking him out if he catches him.
Saunders wins. Saunders beats Murray. Saunders beats Головкин.
I thought Головкин won the first fight. I thought he was hard done by. I thought the draw, it wasn't that wide a decision. Alvarez did box very well, but Головkin did enough to win. I think people thought it was such a bad decision because one of the cards in particular was just so wild and so in favour of Alvarez. But
So you think Головкин won the last fight?
I think he won the last one.
Yeah.
And I really am a big Головkin fan, but I think Alvarez is the younger fighter, Головkin is the older fighter. I wouldn't be surprised if Alvarez won this time.
Do you know this person?
No,
You've never seen him?
never seen him before.
You've never heard about him?
No.
And you don't know where he's from?
Looking at the belt. Mexican maybe? Mexico?
Do you recognize this person?
Nah.
You don't know him. You don't know where he's from. Why am I asking you? Because people are interested in Kazakhstan. Is he popular around the world or not? He is also Kazakh professional boxer,
Yeah.
but he's not, of course, as popular as
Головкин,
Головkин.
yeah.
Yes, but he's very popular in Kazakhstan.
Okay.
Yes.
What's his name?
His name is Kanate Исламе. Show you 4 pictures and we'll try to guess where is the real Головkин. Because on other pictures, there are fake Головkins,
Right,
not
okay.
real. Okay?
Right. Alright.
Are you ready?
Yeah?
First picture.
No. That's not him.
Not Головkin?
No, that's not him.
Next one. One of them might be Головkin. Maybe in youth.
Possibly in a youth. You think that's Головkin as a youth?
It looks like Головkin.
It does look like him.
Maybe. Is it?
Possibly as a youth. That's what he's asking. Show me 4 pictures. If you guess the real Головkin.
Let's see. Next. One of them can be Головkin. Can be. But maybe it's a fake Головkin.
That's what I'm saying.
That one.
Possibly. The other one, the one before did look more like him though. But that's a very youth. What's the last
And
one?
the last picture, yes.
That's really similar as well.
That's right.
You don't think that's him?
That's
no.
it, no.
Would you win number 2 or 3? The 2 youth ones, which one do you think?
The one he picked graphic.
Aye. Number 3, that one. That one I think.
Are you sure?
We're not 100% sure, no.
100% sure.
No, we're not 100%, but we think number 3 of the youth.
And you're right.
That one?
Yeah, you're
Ah,
right.
see?
We've got it. Rocky camera.
Ставь лайк, если тебе понравилось это видео. Подписывайся на мой канал. Предлагай своим друзьям и знакомым подписываться на мой канал. Уверен, им он понравится. Ну, а по поводу моего конкурса, который я провел на прошлой неделе. Моим любимым городом оказался Эдинбург. Красивый и в архитектурном плане, и в любом другом. Один из самых лучших городов Великобритании – это Эдинбург. Так что пользовательница, которая правильно назвала мой любимый город, это Нургуль. Нургуль, я тебя поздравляю. А другим ребятам предлагаю не отчаиваться и дальше продолжать участвовать в моих конкурсах. А их будет очень и очень много. До скорого!